How to use multifunctional Fume pipeline robot. Operating principle of robot. It is the control box that transmits the control signal through the data cable and transmit video monitoring information to realize remote control and cleaning. First, we need to connect the DC power supply. The DC power interface is located on the right side of the control box. Robot data cable is 17-pin data cable with error-proof card slot. Pay attention to align the card slot when inserting the data interface. Both ends of the data line are the same, so there is no need to distinguish which end is connected to which end. Twist the data cable protective cover. Connect the data cable, and the operation is the same as before. The water interface of the robot is in the form of quick connection. So we first need to connect the quick connect interface to the spray tube. The rubber ring needs to be installed before docking. At this time, we have a very convenient way of getting the water pipes onto the robot. The stainless steel high-pressure gun barrel can change the angle. The docking form of high-pressure nozzle is quick connect interface. By rotating and releasing the emergency stop button, the circuit can be connected. Press the medium power switch to start the robot console. The system will drive quickly. The screen is a touch screen, which can be enlarged by double-clicking. The front camera and rear camera of the robot are displayed on the left and right of the screen respectively. This pedal controls the barrel rotation. Move the control pedal to the right, and the barrel rotates clockwise. Move the control pedal to the left, and the barrel rotates counterclockwise. This is the body status control rocker. Push the rocker forward, and the body moves forward, and vice versa. Push the rocker to the left, and the body turns counterclockwise, and vice versa. The function of the right rocker is to control the rotation direction of the barrel. No matter what state the central control pedal is, this rocker can directly intervene and control the rotation direction of the rocker. The rocker rotates counterclockwise for the high-pressure barrel to the left and clockwise to the right. If the central control pedal is in the center state, the rocker can control the angle of the high-pressure gun at will. The rocker can control the angle of the high-pressure gun at will. The rocker can control the angle of the high-pressure gun at will. Click the direction icon on the far right of the screen. Call up the main menu. Follow the steps of this video. Can change the language setting of the operating system. The operating system has various settings. The cleaning process of the robot will be stored on the SD card. Inserting SD card will start recording by default, and there will be red dots on the screen. Thank you for your use.